Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to achieve wavy hair step by step. Begin with clean, towel-dried hair and apply a lightweight styling cream evenly from roots to ends, focusing on areas that need texture. Section hair into 3 or 4 parts and twist each section away from your face. Use a diffuser on low heat or air dry for softer waves. Finish with a light mist of flexible hold hairspray and run fingers through waves to separate them. For defined waves, use a 1-inch curling wand on medium heat and work in small sections for control and consistency. Wrap each section loosely and release after about 5 to 10 seconds to preserve bounce and prevent heat damage. Alternate curling directions to avoid a uniform pattern and to emulate natural waves. Let curls cool fully before separating them with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Finish with a lightweight oil for shine and frizz control. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so you can catch more easy hair tutorials and tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep things tidy between salon days and styling sessions. I love how they save time on busy mornings and fit neatly in bags. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if it helps you, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer no heat options, start with damp hair and twist into buns or braids to set overnight for effortless waves. Alternatively, use foam or fabric rollers that are gentler than heat tools and still create textured movement. Finish by spritzing a sea salt spray or texture spray to enhance definition and hold. Gently separate waves with your fingers in the morning and add a small amount of serum to tame frizz without weighing hair down.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.